In today's video, I'm gonna create a brand new Pinterest account for a fashion dropshipping store. We will set up the Pinterest account, optimize the Pinterest account, and run ads on the Pinterest account. So it's going to be a to Z video for a dropshipping store who are looking to create a Pinterest account or grow their business on Pinterest. We will also discuss how to grow your brand on Pinterest, what the way you should follow, what the strategy you can implement to the ads. So let's start it. So here you can see in my screen, this is the account and this is the brand new dropshipping store. So this is the store, and on this store we're gonna running the campaign. We're gonna make the Pinterest account on this store. So let's just give it a proper name. Let's just give it a proper profile picture, a name, title, and bio, everything. So we're gonna click on create. First of all, we're gonna make set a very good profile picture, which is I already made one. So you just simply gonna upload it. I have everything prepared so that the video will not take that much longer. So this is the name. So I have already well-researched name title here. So this is the proper name title we're gonna be adding to Pinterest. So it has to be proper SEO optimized. Here you can see we try to add 1 or 2 keywords here. Everyday fashion. Here you can see fashion for men and women fashion. So it works differently. So here you can see this is the bio. So here you can get a proper idea about the bio. So here you can see stylish. We try to implement some of the good keyword, and here we're gonna add our website, which is this one. So we just simply gonna place our website here, and according to our website, so we're gonna give it a proper username. So it says username is taken, so we're gonna add a 0 here. So as you can see, if the username didn't work that well. So here you can see the name title is well optimized and everything is perfect. We're gonna be connecting our website to Pinterest. So it's super simple. So we're gonna click on claim. Right now the process is we're gonna be connect our Shopify store with Pinterest. Simply we will go to the Pinterest account. So here you can see I already install Pinterest apps. You just simply install Pinterest apps and click here connect with Pinterest account. So the process is very simple. So here you can see here is an option, just click give Pinterest your website access. So Pinterest will convert your product to the website, and your website can what type of product Pinterest can know about it. So we just can reload it. So here you can see our account is already connected. Here you can see the process is very simple. Now Pinterest will convert. So if we just click on setup, that means we need to set up the accept the Pinterest terms, and we need to update connect replace. So here you can see it's connected. So we need to update the billing for the ads campaign we're gonna be running. So for now, the thing is Pinterest right now, Pinterest will convert our website product into Pinterest catalog. So that means our product can be appear in Pinterest catalog. It's very important, and this way we can run ads. So if we just reload here you can see forest field claimed our website appear here. So we simply go here. So here you can see our Shopify appear came up. So from here we're gonna be choosing our website. Here you go. Our profile is basically set up perfectly. So right now the thing is boards. So all this category we have. So here you can see we have so many categories. Make sure you have one single optimized board for every single category you have in your website. So every single categories of product you have in your website, you're gonna make a single board for it. So let's choose women's dress. So for women's dress, we're gonna be making a board. Here you can see I have already named it proper keyword here. So we're gonna simply click here create. So create boards. So in the board we're gonna be give it a clear name. So we already researched here our keyword. So we're gonna be place our keyword here, and we're gonna be click on create. So you can't add description at the beginning. So let me show you how you can add. So you can add any of the picture if you like, but we're gonna be porting our own product. So we're not gonna port someone else's product to our boards. So we're gonna be just clicking done. And now we're gonna be clicking edit board so that we can add description and make a proper optimized description here. So here you can see we have a description written here, board description. Let's go. Done. So our board is created, our SEO optimized board is properly created. If you simply go to the profile, so here you can see our board name women's dress properly created. Now the second thing is creating pin. Let's make a pin, SEO optimized pin, right? So click on create and click on pin. And another way also, you can simply go to here, you can see create pin for ads, create pin for idea ads. Idea pin is basically for lifestyle videos. If you wanted to share something about your business and all, so idea pin is this way. It's like an Instagram story. This story will not disappear after 24 hours. It will stay forever. Here, from here, we're gonna be making create pin. For the pin, we're gonna be choosing this product. So let's choose this one. And I have already downloaded the product. So we'll click on next. So from here, we're gonna be uploading our product. So first picture is going to be this. And here one more thing, Pinterest is recommending we need to make 1000 px by 1500 px photo, but our ratio is 1000 px by 333 px, which is not recommended. So I'll definitely recommend you to follow this size, to make this size of pin in Pinterest. As I am just showing you, we're gonna be going this way. We're gonna be add more pictures. Here you go. So here we have add carousel pictures. So we're gonna give a proper name title, which is I already written here. Here you can see well optimized proper name title. How you can optimize keyword, I'll share in this video, no worry. We're gonna be placing here. Here we're gonna be giving a proper description, which is I already saved, which is a very SEO optimized and well researched. Hashtag is not that much important, but if you want, then you can use 1 or 2 hashtags. So alter text is if you have explain what people see in the pin. If you can explain differently, that's good. But if you don't want to explain, you can simply click from here, or you just go to your product page, and from product page you can copy this one, and from here you're gonna be just to explain a little more about the product. So make sure it's a dress, so that's why we are choosing women's dresses. Every single product you are making pin, you are putting the product to the relevant board, so it's very important, you need to make sure that. So publish. So here you can see it's already published. So see pin. So here you can see the pin is already here. So normally our account is optimized. I'll definitely recommend every day make 5 to 10 content every single day, and make board for every single category you have in your website, and then continue the account for minimum 10 to 15 days, then convert to Pinterest ads. So I'm gonna make content on the account perfectly. I'm gonna give it a proper cover photo and everything. I'm gonna set up the account perfectly. So the account, how you can set up this way, you're gonna set up your Pinterest account. It's already set up. You just need to design your content, you just need to design your board, and you are super good. How you can research your own keyword, you just simply, let's say dresses, or just all pin. So from here you can easily understand what type of keyword. So here you can see women's dresses, classy, beautiful. So here you can you have all of the suggested keyword. From here you can research your keyword, and from Pinterest trends actually you can research what keyword is working well, what keywords is gonna work well, so you can get an idea. So if you write here women's dress, so here you can see women dresses. So that means here you can see women's dresses keyword are not working well right now, it's decreasing. If we just click here, so here we seen that the women's dresses is decreasing a little bit. but denim jackets outfit as a winter is on the way. So here you can see this keyword is working well right now. So this way you can understand which keyword is gonna perform this in next, which one is performing right now, and which keyword isn't performing right now. So I have full video on Pinterest trends, how you can use Pinterest and how to research keyword. You can take a look at in my YouTube channel. Here you can see this is the profile, and we already work on this account for last 7 days. We are working, and the current situation here you can see we already gained 17 followers, 1.4k monthly view. We only work on this account for last 7 days, and I want to show you the look after 7 days, how it looks like after we work 7 days. So here you can see the growth and everything, all organic. We gain followers and monthly view, everything is working very well, and we make some of the good content. As I have shown you how to make good content. So here you can see some carousel content. So let's just jump into the business hub. So here you can see in the business hub, Pinterest already give us the merchant status approved, our Shopify is connect, our API is well, it's super good. So if we simply go to the catalog, then you will see there's our website catalog. The website catalog we have Pinterest already converted. Here you can see the Pinterest catalog, and here you can see this is the account. Pinterest already converted our website product to our Pinterest account. So here you can see in Pinterest we already got our product listed here. So on this product we can simply run ads right now. So another thing in the profile, if you can say take a look at the boards. So here you can see the boards are well optimized on every single category we have in our website. For every single categories we make a boards here. So it's also a reason we set up perfectly. That's why Pinterest give us the merchant approved. So in so much account people don't have merchant status approved, Shopify connect perfectly, and they don't even have a healthy catalog also, just because of they didn't set up the account perfectly. Now as everything is fine, our Shopify account, Pinterest account is super perfectly connected. So let's just jump into the ads. So I already run ads, so let me show you. Let's just go to the ad account overview. So here you can see we already run 2 catalog campaigns. So if you can see here catalog cell, if you simply go to the all campaign, so as I mentioned earlier that after having the catalog, so as you can see from our website catalog, Pinterest give us the catalog. So on all the product, our first thing in ads is our first strategy is catalog campaign. So that's why we made 2 catalog campaign. One is all manual and one is automatic. So we just find out which one is performing well. So here we can see so far we can see that our ad is in learning, and the manual ad which is in already crossed the learning process. So far it's spent $27, got 11 clicks and 1 action, and this one 25 clicks and 9 action, which means this one is working well. But in terms of the learning, this ads is already complete the learning process. That means right now we need to hold a little bit of days and to find out which one is working well, automatic or manual. So here you can see the Pinterest Performance Plus. The both ads are basically the same, just we use automatic campaign, which is the performance campaign, Performance Plus, and this is the manual which we use with our keyword. Let's deep dive into the campaign. So right now we're gonna be deep diving into the content. So if you can take a look at the campaign right now. So here you can see the catalog campaign, and this is as I mentioned, this is the automatic, which is the Performance Plus automatically created campaign. So here you can see we are making all products, which is here you can see 32,000 items plus. So all of the item we are running the ads, and we made an audience list. Here you can see we just started audience list is building. It's been 1 day, we got already 2k audience list, and so here you can see everything is working smoothly. This is the automatic campaign, and if you just simply go to the manual one, then you will see the manual one. We made some customization in the manual one, and if you just take a look at the manual one, this is a manual campaign by the way. So all the 31,000 product we got the ads same as it is. Here is the look of the ads. 85,000 monthly view, which is we have the audience, we are targeting United States, all age, conversion. So far add to basket, event, recommendation, Pinterest performance building recommendation. Yeah, so this is the 2 campaign. Now our next strategy is, in these two campaign we are running catalog campaign, we're gonna be running more catalog campaign on the top performing categories. Let's say in our website, on all of this product, if women's section, if blazer perform well, we're gonna be running more ads on blazers. And our next campaign is going to be the catalog campaign on blazer. Let's say the blazer perform well, and then if the blazer work very well, we find out which blazers are gonna perform well. So here you can see conversion campaign, we're gonna be making conversion campaign on the particular product which is working well. So this is also a strategy. So this way you're gonna be starting your ads with your Shopify store. So this way you're gonna be creating your Pinterest account and starting your business in Pinterest. If you have any question or need any kinds of help, I am providing 20 minutes of free consultancy. Please feel free to connect with me. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have an amazing day.